Microsoft Excel is a popular application for storing business data. You can build Power Apps that will connect to Excel as a data source. The data must be formatted as a table. The Excel file must be stored in a location that Power Apps can connect to, like OneDrive. Select Excel as your data source. Next, choose the location of your data. If you configured your connection to the storage location already, you may see your file right away. If you have not, you can click on New Connection, select the connection from your storage location, in this case OneDrive for Business, and create the connection to your data location. Select your connection to locate your Excel file and select the file. Select the table you wish to create an app for and click Connect. Power Apps will begin creating a 3-page app for you. It will include a gallery to browse your existing rows, a page to view row details, and a page for adding or editing rows. This is the Browse page, which has a gallery view of all your rows, plus tools to filter the view and to add new rows. This is the Details page, which lets you look at the details of any row selected from the gallery. The Edit screen allows you to edit a row or add a new row. When the app is created, some of your columns are populated. You can change the columns included by editing the form and delete or add columns. The app will update automatically to match your selections. You can also test your app to make sure it's working as intended. Add a new row, complete the fields in the Edit page and save the row, and view the row in the gallery. Select the row to view the Details page.